Here we have consonant blend, TW. A consonant blend is 2 or 3 consonants that we put together. Each says their own sound, but we blend them together to form a word. Are we ready? T says t, t, t. What does T say? T. Good. What does W say? W, w, w. Good. Let's tap and stretch them together. Ready? Two, two, two. Yeah, let's see what words we can make with that. You ready to make a word? Okay, let's tap and stretch. Twig. Tap and stretch again. Twig. Let's say it fast. Ready? Twig. Say it fast. Twig. Twig. Yeah, a twig or a stick on a tree, right? All right, here's another one. Tap and stretch with me. Twin. Tap and stretch. Twin. Good. Say it fast. Twin. Say it fast again. Twin. Yeah, a twin is when you have another sibling that's just like you, right? A twin. You're born together at the same time, most of the time. And that is our consonant blend, TW. Good work.